guys, it's Kaitlyn, and today I'm doing a day in the life of a college student vlog. And I just woke up. I'm sorry if I look like disgusting, but today I have a lot going on. It is Monday and I have a ton of classes. I have 4 classes. One of them is 2 hours long. The rest are 50 minutes or an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm getting ready for biology. I'm going to walk there with John. And I just wanted to update you guys that it was 50 and sunny yesterday, and today, so I'm going to do my makeup after my first class, which I don't always do, sometimes I do, but I don't want to look raunchy in this whole video, so I want to enjoy how I look in this video. So I'm going to do my makeup after my first class and after I get lunch. So stay tuned, everyone. Gross water life. I have to use the water filter, and it's just a little pea drizzle, and it's really loud, surprisingly. All filled. Can I make it? Can I make it? Score! So I'm wearing this top from Forever 21. I got it forever ago. And I have this scrunchie from Urban Outfitters. And this is my essential oils bracelet. On the black bead, you put your essential oil. And then you sort of smell like it and you get its benefits or whatever. Then I have my pants on. I'm getting swole at the gym, so they're tight. Just kidding. And then I have my socks on that make me look like a chicken. And yeah, then I'm going to put on my Sorel boots. So John is coming over, but he doesn't know I'm vlogging, and he'll be super excited because he loves when I vlog, so we're gonna surprise him. Hi, John. Guess what? Yes. I'm filming a vlog today.
Oh, I look horrible. Wait, can I take a shower really quickly?
No.
Dang it. Okay. Wait, let me do that again.
Well, almost
Just kidding. I got my emergency snack, and I have my emergency tissues today, so I'm all set.
all set for bio, ready to cry.
Yeah. This morning, because they're a little big for me, and I feel like I'm going to slip, but it's fine, because they have traction. And,
oh, I love the
traction.
traction.
Yeah, my mom forced me to buy them because
They're cute.
I only wear one pair of shoes. This is not fair.
What?
Am I supposed to drink water now?
Wait, can you tell me the weather forecast again, John?
I'd say there's about 5% chance. Wait. There's about a 5% chance it's already snowing.
We're walking to our first class, but our first class is pretty close, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I might do a plan with me video, so I haven't updated my journal, but maybe I'll just put updating my planner in this vlog. We're back in the freezing cold, walking back to our dorm to get lunch. John and I are eating, and then I'm gonna go back to my dorm because I have 3 more classes later, so I'm gonna have some free time for like an hour and a half and then go to my next classes. guys, so I'm back at my dorm now. My phone died, so I don't know if that's gonna be choppy or not. It was just like, my phone wasn't dead, but like the cold made it die at like 40%. So I'm back, and I am back at my dorm. I just got my package that just came in the mail, and I'm here with Jordan and Emily, and we're all just hanging out. So I'm just going to be chilling out for the rest of the day, and I think I'm just going to keep updating you guys with the things I'm doing. So I got a package, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so this is my package. It's from Urban Outfitters.
Now I am.
Now you're filming? Emily is the camerawoman today. So I got 2 things from Urban Outfitters. The first thing is this super comfy, like, soft looking hoodie. Oh my god, it's super soft.
Jordan, get the out.
Mine got stolen, so I just got another soft hoodie with a hood, and it's way softer than I thought it would be.
See it. Can I feel it?
Oh my god, it's so soft. It is pretty soft. And then I got this keychain. Jordan, don't put it on. I got this keychain that says girl power, and I'm gonna hang it on my, stop laughing, on my cute wallet.
It smells kind of weird.
Well, it's new.
Comfy.
Girl power. So here's the keychain on my adorable wallet. And yeah, I'm just really excited about that. And then the hoodie's super soft, as you guys know. I think I'm gonna put it on because it just feels super soft. Take it off! Those are mine. Who wants to try on your hair? Okay, Emily, you're good.
Okay.
Cute.
Jordan's first impressions. Jordan, you didn't say that.
I can see you in the mirror.
Perfect. Love it.
Anyone on YouTube know the answer to this?
Okay guys, so I'm back at my dorm after my 2-hour lecture. I'm trying to find better lighting. And I actually went and got Subway because they didn't have anything healthy tonight at the caf, so I thought I might as well get Subway because I'm not gonna have anything healthy to eat there. And Subway is not the healthiest, but I got a sandwich that has protein and a lot of veggies. And so I think that that's healthy enough. And then, backing up again, I got another package from Romwe. Guys, you know what that means? Another Romwe haul for you guys. It's going to be another first impressions video, so I can't open that package until I get all the clothes and do the haul. And I'm just really excited to show you guys what I got. I hope things fit well this time. I spent a lot of time trying to make sure that everything was the right measurements and stuff. So stay tuned for that, and I'm just going to be chilling out for a little while. I'll update you guys in a minute. So since I last updated you, I've just been laying around watching YouTube videos, just chilling out because I did have a really busy day. I actually only had 3 classes today, not 4. I'm pretty sure I told you guys 4, but I actually only had 3. Wednesdays are when I have the same schedule but an extra class during the time that I came home the second time. So now I'm just editing my vlog from today, which is really funny because I'm talking to you guys in the vlog that I'm currently editing, and I'm just chilling out. I'll probably try to motivate myself to get up and do some notes, but guys, I am just dead. I was gonna work out when I got back, and I'm so exhausted. I literally cannot work out. Like, I'm so tired. I'm like about to fall asleep. Maybe I'll motivate myself to go work out, but at this point, it's not looking good. Okay guys, so since I last updated you, I just did some dorm workouts with Jordan. If you guys want a dorm workouts video, Jordan and I could show you. Jordan, you a fan of that?
What are you saying?
I'm talking to the vlog.
Oh.
Did you hear my idea?
No.
Dorm workouts video featuring Jordan.
Ew.
Ew!
What looks gross in it?
You don't have to be in it. I'll give you creds though. Yeah, so I usually go to the gym, but Jordan usually works out in the dorm, so she has a nice little set of workouts that work for a dorm. And if you guys want to see that, let me know. And also, I'm about to go update my planner and my little mini bullet journal thing, and I will show you guys how I do my planner.